Welcome to SEMPER IDEM. Signature. Please don't forget to comments, like, share, and subscribe. I'll spend time to write your request. When I was young, I wanted to grow fast so that I can do the things that I thought it won't be last. As the days and months were changing to another year, my dreams and yearns are becoming closer. But exactly my heart started to ask, most especially to the responsibilities and of the given tasks, if I am able to do exactly, or I may be able to perform the role accurately. But later on, I had realized that in this world we need to subsist. Enjoy life while you are still young and able, pleasing to anybody, and to him most of all. Count the another year of your life with less thinking of the what if. For the years in our age simply reminded us that He is always in our side. He never leave nor forsake us. Keep obeying Him with a holy trust. Now, as we both celebrating our natal day, let us be thankful, not only today, but also yesterday, and of the coming years. His love endures and much of cares.
Happy birthday!